Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. It is Monday. It is the last Monday in June. Congratulations to all the graduates out there. It was graduation weekend this past weekend, so congratulations to everybody who graduated. Congratulations to the parents that got the graduates through school and to graduation. Congratulations to all of the graduates. So I'm seeing that I am live now, so thank you everybody for joining me. Sorry I am a little bit sporadic with my Facebook Lives these days. It's been super busy, and jumping in onto my phone and making a cocktail every day just hasn't been happening. So I apologize. I will try to be better about it going forward. Now that we are here a little bit more, we're not traveling anymore for Justin for baseball. We will go down and see him in Tennessee in July at some point, but for right now we are around. So let's see. Today I'm going to be making something called Hibiscus and Peach Refresher. So thank you for joining me. Hello Billy, hello Ralph, hello Minnie. I see some people on. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you can give me a thumbs up, that would be awesome. Just drop me a comment so that I know that you are here. The more comments we get, the more people that will view our Facebook Lives. So, and hopefully Marcus will get better at doing some more of his Facebook Lives. He has also been extremely busy. We've been training new staff, so you'll see lots of new faces here around Aroma Thyme. We are training new staff. We are, gosh, I don't know, we are super, super busy. So anyway, our buy one, get one free takeout special this week, and today is the last day, is our New York strip steak. That ends today. We'll start a new special on Thursday. We have a beer dinner tonight here at the restaurant. We're going to be busy at the restaurant, and hopefully we'll see everybody soon. July 4th is a week from today, so I just wanted to let everybody know. We will be open at 5 o'clock on July 4th, and we will be closing. We try to get our stuff out of here by 9, so our last reservation will probably be around 7 o'clock on July 4th, so just stay tuned for that. There is a parade here in town. I'm sure if you want to stop in for a drink or a glass of wine at the bar, we will be around, and that is July 4th, so that is next Monday. So good afternoon, Ralph. Hello, Nicole. Hello, Billy. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. So today, Hibiscus and Peach Refresher. I'm going to put some ice in my glass. I am going to be using rum. I'm going to be using Green Bar Hibiscus liqueur, and I'm going to be using creme de pêche, so peach liqueur, and then I'm going to top it off with some soda. So I am going to put about 1.5 ounces of rum. I'm going to put about 1/2 ounce of hibiscus liqueur. And again, at home, you can make it more peach, you can make it more hibiscus, you can not do hibiscus, you can not do peach. You know, just have fun. That's the whole point of my Facebook Lives, they are fun. I am here to have fun, to make drinks, to use this awesome stuff that we have behind our bar, bring you some fun cocktails that I make up, that I find, that I convert into our own recipes here at Aroma Thyme. Some are really good, they make it on our list, and you can come in and order any of them. Hopefully I can remember what's in them. So I'm going to top this off with a little bit of soda from our gun, so some sparkling soda, so seltzer basically. I am going to mix this on up, and I'm going to give it a taste. Nice and refreshing. You could add a little bit of agave to it if you want it to be a little bit sweeter. It's got a lot of peach. Really nice. I think maybe I would add a splash of lime to it. So let's add a splash of lime juice, and I am going to add a splash of agave to it. And there we go. So peach and hibiscus refresher. So nice for a warm, hot summer day. Perfect. Hello, Carlos. Thank you, everybody, for joining me. Again, our to-go special last night. Tonight is our New York strip steak. with mashed potatoes and vegetables. It's a buy one, get one free. That is available tonight is our last night for that. We'll have a new special starting again on Thursday. And that's it. We're open. We're doing inside dining tonight. It's a little bit wet outside. So hopefully we'll catch everybody soon. We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And it is July 4th weekend next weekend. So if you are coming in, please call and make reservations. Have a wonderful day. Cheers to everybody, and we'll catch you all soon.